My name is David Wynne Edwards and I am the Apprentice of the Year in Management. The company that I completed my apprenticeship with was Betsi Cadwaladr University Health Board, and I am now currently still working at Betsi Cadwaladr University Health Board with the IT department as a data technology officer for them. Well, in younger life, I should say, many moons ago, I was in a totally different profession. Unfortunately, I couldn't carry that on due to the illness that I had to overcome and recover from that. So basically, when I got back into admin or IT, I knew I had to progress further. So that's why I really took that apprenticeship on. Obviously, I was a little bit older when I started this apprentice, I know, but I recommend it to anybody, and it doesn't matter what age, just go ahead and do it. The biggest advantage for me is the knowledge that I've learnt about management, of course the different people that I've met throughout the course, but mostly the experience and the knowledge that I've gained from doing the course basically. The advice that I would give to anybody wanting to take on an apprenticeship is go for it. It has been one of the best experiences since I've been working with Betsi Cadwaladr. I've enjoyed learning new aspects of my work and also learning more about management, which I never knew was there, but now that I've learned it and now that I know it, it's taking me a bit further now in my role.